Today, we're diving into the world of GPU upgrades with the Lian O11D-1X-4 PCI-E 4.0 vertical graphics card holder designed specifically for the O11 dynamic ATX case. This kit promises to revolutionize your gaming rig by allowing you to vertically mount your graphics card. But does it deliver on its promises? First off, let's talk compatibility. This kit is explicitly tailored for the O11 dynamic ATX size case, ensuring a seamless fit and installation process. However, it's crucial to note that it's not compatible with other variations like the O11 Evo, O11 Dynamic XL, or Mini. So, if you're rocking the O11 Dynamic, you're in luck. One of the standout features of this kit is its support for PCI-E 4.0, providing blazing fast data transfer speeds and future-proofing your system for upcoming GPU advancements. The inclusion of a PCI-E 4.0 x16 riser cable ensures optimal performance and reliability. Material-wise, Lian sticks to its reputation for quality craftsmanship by using steel, ensuring durability and stability for your precious graphics card. Plus, with an expansion slot of 4, you have room for additional upgrades down the line. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the AMD FirePro 2270 graphics coprocessor. With 2GB of graphics RAM and DisplayPort video output interface, it's a reliable choice for both gaming and professional workloads. And being from AMD, you can expect solid performance and compatibility with a wide range of applications. Installation-wise, the process is straightforward for those familiar with PC builds. However, newcomers might find themselves navigating through a few challenges, especially with cable management. But with patience and attention to detail, you'll have your GPU proudly showcased in no time. In summary, the Lian O11D-1X-4 PCI-E 4.0 vertical graphics card holder is a fantastic upgrade for O11 dynamic owners looking to elevate their gaming experience. With its sturdy construction, PCI-E 4.0 support, and compatibility with AMD GPUs, it's a worthy investment for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.